Hello all, welcome to Tech. Today we are going to see a detailed unboxing and review of the award-winning Fnatic Ministreak. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The Fnatic Ministreak is a fully powered RGB mechanical esports keyboard complete with a detachable cable, peerless build quality, and built to let you complete at the top level. It's back with updated Fnatic branding, a new slimmer font, and the option for ultra fast speed or stealthy silent switches. This edition is a silent edition and it is having a customizable RGB lighting which will be showing right now. We got a software for this and its name is OP software. We need to download this OP software from web, and in this OP software we can get 8 animated and unique lighting modes. Which is completely customizable, like wave, pulse, rain, reactive, gradient, reactive ripple, and our most favorite is reactive. It's like very awesome. Now we can customize each key for what we can use the keys for apart from the default operations, and we can give the composition mode, like which all key should be excluded from the optimization or the customization which we are giving. Anyway, even though it isn't that OP software, this software is giving a good experience and this keyboard is worth for its money. Now coming to its feature, it was launched in August 2020 and its compatibility is laptop, PC, PS4, Xbox and Mac. It's having a size of 360 x 142 x 336 mm with a weight of 1090 grams. It's having 10 keyless TKL format and its polling rate is 1000 Hz. We got this for 8 Kuwaiti dinars, which means about 2000 rupees, and it's absolutely worth for that. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.